So now let's work around with the testimonial form section inside of Wix ADI. So in order to work with testimonial form section, I'm just going to click on add section right over here. And then on the left side, I'm just going to scroll down till I find testimonial form right over here. So let me just click on this, and over here, you can see that testimonial forms are available. So I'm just going to click on the first one right over here. And once I do that, you'll see the testimonial form right over here. So now you have a bit of sections that you can work with. So let me just go over here and click on this and see what are the options that are provided to us. So you see that we can work with the title right over here, such as add a testimonial. We got subtitle. You can add in a paragraph over here as well to add in a bit of a detail. You can replace the media and of course work around with the form. So if I were to go to edit in the form right over here, you can show the field titles right over here, as you can see, or disable that. And you can manage choices as well. You can add a new field as well, just as in any other forms right over here. Of course, you got the submit button as well. So similarly, your review, review section is what the testimonial form is all about. And once the form is live, your audiences or your viewers will be able to see the form like this, interact with the form right over here, just like that, and then just submit it out. And you'll be able to see them right over there in your Wix account. So they can submit this and it says thanks for submitting right over here. And then you can go back. So that is how you can work around with the testimonial form section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.